Hi guys, just giving you a view from our cockpit. We are en route from Vienna to Göteborg in Sweden, and we've got about 40 minutes before our top of descent, maybe slightly less than that. Here's our cockpit all the way up. And it's a dual-seater here, 737 MAX 8, and getting closer. You can see, yeah, we've got about 118 miles to go to our top of descent. You can see the TD at the top there. That's where we're going to start descending, and there we are on the iPad. All right. Ciao for now.